Oh man, good morning everybody. It is 7 a.m. and I just got up. I slept better than I thought I would. Yes, there was the clanking sound, but eventually I just fell asleep. So, yeah. The one thing I will say is I need to put a second cushion under this cushion on the mattress, because if I like sleep on my side or something, my hip bone drives into the fiberglass below the mattress, because I guess the mattress is not necessarily thick enough. So yeah, I've got to add another mattress under this one to provide more cushion, because it was a problem. I mean, it's fine for me, but like when my fiance comes and sleeps on the boat, she has problems too. So anyways, so I think the plan is I'm gonna read a book for about half an hour. And then after that, probably make some breakfast, and then I'm gonna go for a walk around the island again. But this time I'm gonna go around the south and to the west, kind of the loop trail. And so yeah, that's the plan. And then I'll probably leave. My original plan was I was gonna leave here at like 1 or something, but if I get all that done and I feel like I should leave, then I might leave earlier. Like if it's like 11 or 12, then I'll just pack up and leave. God, this looks like hell. But let's go outside, and I want to look at the sunrise here. The sun just came above the horizon. Looks very calm out there. Well, this is the marina, but... Alright, I need to pee, so I'm gonna kind of get dressed here and head to the bathroom. Sausage. Oh, that's good. Alright, just finished breakfast. Now I'm kind of warming up for a little bit here. And then I think I'm gonna go for a walk just around that part of the island. And then after that, I'm probably gonna head out. So that's kind of the plan. The wind right now is coming from the northeast, and I need to go northeast. So this will be interesting. The windy app said that the wind might shift north, so hopefully that's the case, because if not, it's going to be an interesting sail back, having to go through the wind. So anyways, it's kind of the plan now. I am on the west side of the island here. The campgrounds on this side, they're not too busy. Matter of fact, I don't see anybody here. There's one boat moored on a buoy. And yeah, it's really calm back here because, you know, there's a lot of land shadow. But as soon as we get on the other side there, we got wind will pick up. So, all right, so now I'm gonna head back to the boat, and then I'm gonna get out of here after that. So that's the plan now. Get one last look at this Blake Island, the west side. It's a deer right there. Alright, I just made it back to the boat. So I'm gonna be heading out now. The waves are pretty intense out there, it looks like, so this should be quite an interesting journey. Alright, I'm gonna take down camp, unplug the power, and get the motor started up, and then we're gonna head out. Yeah, that's gonna be what happens. All right, I just put the main up, and we're moving right now. In a little bit, I'll put up the jib, but yeah, the motor stalled out on me for a second because there was a big wave, but then it started up right away, so I was fortunate there. But now the motor is all the way up, so hopefully won't have to use the motor for the rest of the journey here. But we're moving really quite decent right now. So I'm not complaining. I don't know if the jib is gonna work or not, because we're so up against the wind right now. Like, we're so tight with it that I'm just not sure if it's gonna work. So for the time being, I'm just gonna roll with the main. And yeah, someone hooked me up with a rolling furlong. That would be ideal. But you know, there's always another boat out there to get that has it. So that's how it works. All right, I can get pretty tight with the wind with the main, and yeah, but there's some decent sized waves out here. All right, the jib is up now, and we're moving a bit quicker, although I can't go exactly to my destination, so right now I have to point right here, but I need to be pointing over there, but I can't because of the wind. So my plan is I'm just gonna go over to this land and then cut across maybe halfway through or something, and then hopefully I'll have enough space where I can sail right into Seattle, and hopefully I'll have no issue with that. So yeah, the waves are they're decent size. They're probably like 2 foot, a lot bigger than yesterday's waves, but the waves are not really affecting the boat because the boat's taking it really well. See, look, here's this one right here, and the boat takes it really well, even for a small boat. So yeah, it's it's pretty nice. At least it's not raining, but you know, it would really be nice to have some southwest wind right now. That's like the best kind of wind. It's like coming from your diagonal from the back. Sailing like that is the best in my opinion. Alright, there's Alki Point. We are not quite gonna make it. The wind is taking us down here, so I'm thinking we need to go this way and then go. Basically, I could maybe get all the way to that land there, and then I could kind of be where that sailboat is in his situation, and he's got a straight shot to Elliott Bay from that spot. So that's my plan for this little thing here. I've got my microphone set up, so because sometimes it's kind of like goes in and out of connection. All right, I am gonna go turn about and head that way for a little bit, get in front of Alki Point, and then from there it should be smooth sailing. All right, that was 100% the solution. So I did it correctly. Come across, paddle your way across, and now because the wind's coming from the northeast, this is, and we're going northwest, this is an ideal position now. And you can see, if I can zoom in here, we are making quite a bit of progress forward in front of the lighthouse. So, okay. So I'm just gonna keep going and probably go all the way to the all the way to the land over there, and then I'll just be able to smooth right across, no problem. Crossing my fingers. All the way to the land over here. You can see a straight shot to the city. So I'm gonna get just a tad bit closer, not too close though, and then I'm gonna come about and head directly east towards the city. Little update, things are going pretty good right now. Really nice right now. Yo. Shit. You see that? So this is measuring how far we leaned over we are. We're about 20, it's hard for me to get a still shot, 20-degree lean right now. With the wind coming from northeast, the wind shifted a little bit more north, which is nice, because now it's giving me a straight shot. I'm pointing at the Space Needle right now, whereas earlier I couldn't point at the Space Needle. So that's nice to know. And yeah, it's currently 1:35, making great time, can't complain, and we're having a fun day out here on the water. Can you say that? I don't know. Check out this vessel here. It's got a mizzen mast too, but the mizzen sail is not up. They've got their jib and their main up. That's so cool. And then I look at my puny little boat and I'm like, oh shit, I really they've even got an inflatable dangling off the stern of theirs. That's cool. And they've got a couple people. They've also got some solar panels. So that's very cool. Alright, there it is. The Alki Point Lighthouse. We just passed it. We are on the home stretch here. So we have officially entered Elliott Bay. The wind has died off significantly in this area. See, there's hardly any waves. So now let's turn that way and head towards the mouth of the river. Alright, sails are down. That's gonna do it for this video. This was quite an adventure. I really enjoyed this little solo trip that I did. Definitely more to come in the future. This is my first solo trip. I've done trips, but with other people. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like this video and remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another one of my videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.